What's up, guys? We are H Tech Review back with another video, taking a look at a case that I picked up from my Apple iPad 8 Gen. So this is a case that I picked up off of Amazon.com. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. There is the name brand of it. I'm not going to try and butcher that or pronounce that, but I've used this case before when I had my iPad Pro 12.9. This looks like a redesign of it. So we're going to check it out for the iPad 8 Gen. So this is a keyboard case for the new iPad 8 Gen 10.2 2020. This also will fit your iPad 7 Gen 2019, iPad Air 3rd Gen, iPad Pro 10.5, stable touchpad functions. You can pick this up on Amazon.com. You can get it for $39.97. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. Comes in two colors. You can also get it in pink, and I got the black one. So a few of the features and details of this. Obviously, it's going to give you a trackpad. But what you need to know, looking for a premium case that will not only protect your expensive gadget against scratches, but it's also highly practical while typing or entertaining yourself. This deluxe leather keyboard case is the perfect solution. To use the keyboard touchpad, please go to your iPad accessibility settings, turn on the assistive touch function first. And it tells you that it's compatible with those devices. The keyboard case comes with an anti-slide design, offers 360-degree full protection against scratches, bumps, and dents, protecting your iPad from all sorts of dropping accidents. Unlike similar products on the market, this 10.2 keyboard case provides a fast and stable wireless connection, connecting automatically once paired with your device. The case has an extremely long battery life. Over 100 hours of use, 130 days in standby, and a charging time of 2 hours. So that is it. I'll leave this link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. So let's get into it. So like I said, I've had this case before, but it looked like it's a new design on it. Here's the packaging that it comes in. And it gives you a lot of the stuff that I just read off right there, features. As you guys can see, if you want to pause that and read it for yourself. But I'm going to get into the box and see what we got here. So look like I'm going to have to go beast mode with this. Get that off. So iPad 8 Gen is a great device. Really like it. So let's see what's in the box here. So you get your charging cable. Let's get this open, take a look at it. So this is, you're still using your lightning connection. So that is it in there. So you got your type A. No, this is using type C. Type C right here to charge your keyboard. So that is nice that it's using that. See what else is in there. Nothing else in the box. Yeah, nothing else in there. Making a lot of noise here. Okay, guys, so yeah, this is definitely a different design from the last one I had. This is a leather look, as you guys can see, and it was totally plastic. This is awesome. It has this magnetic clasp right here, which is sweet. Yeah, so this is totally nice, man. I like this. So you do have a place here for your pen or a pencil right here. And you do have your cutout here for your charging port. So let's get on the inside of it and see what it looks like here. All right, so let's get this out of there. So you got some paperwork in here. So the first thing you get is telling you how to turn the keyboard on and pair it with your iPad, how to enable the touchpad functions right there. And this side, how to confirm the keyboard needs to be charged. We get that information. We get a important warranty information here, so that is cool. And you also get, this is some instructions on which software you need to be on, telling you how to update it. And this also kind of telling you different things about the keyboard itself. And then back here, how to change lowercase and uppercase keyboard, how to use the keyboard shortcuts. So with this keyboard, you have to press the FN. So back FN plus this symbol, plus this symbol, back to home page, brightness, stream, keyboard, previous track, next track, mute key, cut, search, all of your functions there. All right, so that's that. And let's take a look at the keyboard, man. So here's the top piece. This is where you put your iPad in, which is all plastic. And then you have this kind of like Alcantara looking material here around the keyboard, kind of like my Microsoft Surface Laptop 3 I have sitting right over here, but not quite the same thing. So you got your little plastic keys. They feel pretty responsive, you know, not the best. This is all plastic. You got your trackpad, nice and clicky, but this keyboard is very small, as you guys can see. You got your on and off button here. You got your function row that we went over a little bit earlier. Home, brightness, search, on-screen keyboard, copy. There's a camera symbol there. Don't know what that's for. Reverse, pause, play, forward, volume up and down, mute, and lock. So yeah, man, not too bad. So let's go ahead and get this thing paired up and see what we got here. So just snap it right in place like so. Very easy to go in place. And let's take a look around it before we pair it. So this is the complete package together here. So you do have your speakers, charging port for the case. This side you got your little loop. Now I don't have the official Apple Pencil, but I do have the Logitech Crayon. So I could just drop that right in like that. 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, mic, power button, and your volume up and down are open and exposed, and your camera also. A little bit of a fingerprint magnet since I've been using it here. Let's go ahead and get this open. And you have a little flap on the back of it that you have to bring down and kind of tuck that over, and that's the angle that you get right there. So all right, so let's go ahead and pair this. So the pairing, the power button is right here. So as you guys saw, 3 flashes. Let's try it again. So there are the LEDs. Now it's in the pairing mode. Let's go ahead and get my iPad on. Let's go into settings. We're going to go to Bluetooth. And it's searching, and it came up already, guys, as you guys can see. Bluetooth keyboard 5.1 V8.1. So we're going to go ahead and pair with that. There we are. And it is paired. So I should be able to use the FN and home to get home. There it is. So that is great. That works right out the box. There's my little pointer going right there. I can switch screens here. See if I can open something up. So let's go to, and as I hover over these, they kind of expand with my pointer, as you guys see. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Safari. And there it is. So let's find a website here. Let's stroll up and down here. So let's go to YouTube. And there's YouTube. And it seems the trackpad seems pretty good. It seems very responsive from the old one that I used. That trackpad wasn't very good. So let's see if I can swap. See if I can go home by just grabbing it from the... And it doesn't look like it. So let's go ahead and open up something else. Let's go to Twitter. And this is, like I said, this is just the unboxing. I'm going to use it a couple days and I'll come back and let you guys know what I think about it. Let's see if I can swap between apps. Yeah, so if I swipe over, I'm going between YouTube and Twitter there. So yeah, man. So let's type something here. Let's go back to Safari and let's type something here. Go ahead and highlight that. So just typing anything randomly, and the keys feel good. So this looks like it's a pretty good keyboard so far, guys. Keyboard and case. I'm going to use it for a few days, and I'll come back and let you guys know what I think about it. But yeah, looks good. For the price, link will be in the description. Here it is all together. Nice magnet right there. And it looks great. So link will be in the description, guys. We will catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.
Perfect.